Mechanical boards have gained huge popularity for their tactile precision, durability, and customizable layouts. Gamers and typists appreciate their comfort and responsiveness. Similarly, meditation enthusiasts seek tools that enhance posture, comfort, and mindfulness. List 1. The Mindful Modern Folding Pro Meditation Chair is an excellent choice for individuals seeking adjustability and support during meditation. Unlike traditional benches, this chair provides back support with an adjustable frame, making it ideal for those who struggle with sitting in lotus or kneeling positions for long periods. Its foldable design makes it portable and easy to store, while the cushioned seat and backrest ensure comfort throughout extended meditation sessions. The durable construction supports proper posture, helping users focus on mindfulness rather than discomfort. A key benefit is its versatility. It works not only for meditation, but also for yoga, reading, or relaxation. The chair accommodates users of different body types with adjustable angles, allowing customization based on individual needs.
List 2. The Waterglider International Meditation Bench in Zen Black is a beautifully crafted Seiza-style bench designed for traditional kneeling meditation. Handcrafted with solid wood, it provides durability and stability, ensuring years of use. This bench is angled to naturally align the spine, reducing pressure on knees and hips during meditation. Its minimalist design encourages proper posture, helping practitioners maintain focus and balance. The Zen Black finish adds a sleek, calming aesthetic that fits seamlessly into any meditation space. The portability of this bench is a plus. Though solid, it is lightweight enough to move easily. Many users appreciate how it supports extended sessions without causing lower back strain, making it suitable for both beginners and seasoned practitioners. List 3. The Waterglider International Meditation Cushion offers a more traditional cushion-based seating option. Filled with natural buckwheat husks, it molds to the body, providing excellent support while maintaining breathability. Its round shape encourages proper spinal alignment, reducing discomfort in the hips and knees. This cushion is particularly versatile, working well for lotus, half lotus, and cross-legged positions. The firmness of the buckwheat husks prevents sinking, allowing practitioners to maintain a stable base for longer meditation sessions. Durability is another advantage. The cushion is made with high-quality fabric that withstands daily use. It also comes with a convenient handle for portability, making it easy to move between spaces. List 4. The Bluecony IKUKO Meditation Bench stands out for its portability and ergonomic design. Made from sustainable wood, this bench is designed with a curved seat that supports the pelvis, naturally aligning the spine and improving posture during meditation. Its portable version comes with a carrying bag, making it easy to take to retreats, studios, or outdoor practice spaces. The lightweight yet durable design strikes a balance between functionality and convenience. The IKUKO's ergonomic shape reduces strain on the knees and ankles, making it more comfortable than flat benches. Practitioners often report improved stability and focus during long sessions thanks to its supportive design. List 5. The Mindful Modern Folding Bamboo Meditation Bench is a stylish, eco-friendly option for those who prefer kneeling meditation. Constructed from natural bamboo, it combines durability with sustainability, offering a bench that is as attractive as it is functional. Its folding legs make it easy to transport and store, a great feature for those with limited space or who travel often for meditation retreats. The angled seat helps align the spine, promoting comfort and stability throughout sessions. The bench's smooth bamboo finish adds an elegant touch to any meditation space. Many users appreciate how it relieves pressure on the knees and ankles, especially during longer practices. Pairing it with a cushion or mat enhances comfort further.